Okay, so thanks for joining us for our next lesson on ACT prep. Something that the ACT tests a lot on is angles. So first, to begin with angles, we're going to talk about naming the angles. So any angle less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. Anything that's 90 degrees that will be notated by a square is a right angle. Anything greater than 90 degrees is an obtuse angle. And any angle that's 180 degrees is a straight line and will be noted as well. So what angle is this?
That is an obtuse angle.
What angle is this?
That's a right angle.
What angle is this?
Acute angle.
What angle is this?
A straight line.
Good job, my guys. So now to continue, we're going to work on how you measure an angle. So if angle AB is 55 degrees and angle BC is 55 degrees, then what's the measure of angle AC?
110.
Yep, you simply add the two angle measurements together. Also noting that the two angle measurements are the same degrees, meaning that they are congruent angles, meaning that they are notated by the equal sign with a squiggly line above it. Now on to testing with straight lines. Another common question on the ACT is using straight lines as a measurement. So line RU or angle RU is 180 degrees. Well, angle or line TS is a straight line. So if this is 180 degrees, then what's the measurement of angle RS?
145.
Correct. So now moving on to this angle. If this is 145 degrees, then what's the measurement of this angle?
35 degrees.
Now, Lewis, if this one's 35 degrees and this is a straight line of 180 degrees, what's the measurement of this angle?
That angle on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
145.
Yep, correct. So noting that with these two being straight lines, these two angles are the same measurement and these two angles are the same measurement. Next question. Are any of these angles congruent angles?
Yes.
What two angles are congruent?
RS and TU.
Okay.
RT and SU.
Next, we're going to do parallel lines. To notate a parallel line, it will say that line DE and then these two vertical lines is parallel to line FG. So let's start with a straight line. What's the measurement of angle DH?
That would be 20. Wait.
DH.
Would be 25.
Okay. So if this is 25 degrees, then Kaylee, what's the measurement of angle FI?
155.
Yep. So with these being two parallel lines and this being the same line, these two angles are the same, meaning these two angles are the same.
Mm-hmm.
So with parallel lines, angles become the same. So lastly, to test this whole subject, I made a Christmas tree. So can you name, for me on here, an acute angle?
Let's see. Looks like
R and H.
Okay, so angle RH. Yep, both of them. So angle CH would be an acute angle, as well as angle CR would be an acute angle.
IS.
IS would be a straight line.
Wait. Oh, R. Aha.
So our next question will be, what if this measures 125 degrees? Then what does angle TI measure? So this measures 125. What is TI?
55.
Correct. Now next, can anyone tell me what this angle measures?
55.
That'd
Oh,
be
wait,
70.
that's not.
No.
55 and 55.
Well, we aren't talking about it yet. We'll talk about it in our next ATC prep
Wait, does that say
session with
65?
triangles.
Wait, does that
It's
say
70, isn't it?
65?
It's